Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mukim Bhatto from University Campus Latkana, Department Computer Science. Today my presentation video presentation subject is basic electronics. Topic: 7 segment displays, Kirchhoff current law, semiconductor drop-in. 7 segment display. 7 segment display. The 7 segment display is written as a 7 segment display. Consists of the 7 LCDs, hence its name. Arranged in the regular functions is shown. Each of the 7 LEDs is both demi-cell and hex. To be displayed in additional 8th LED is sometimes used within the same package, thus allowing with the interaction of the demi-cell point DP. When the two or more 7 segment displays are connected together to display number greater than 10, each one point beginning from the straight out the representing plus plastic package. The individual LED pens are available from a throw of a G, representing each individual LED. The other LED pens are connected together via to the form of the common pin by the forward biasing. The operation pins of the LED segments in the practical order. Some segments will be light and the other will be dark, allowing the desired characters patterns of the number to be created on the display. Then allow to display each of the 10 decimals, just 0 through to the 9 on the same 7 segment display. The display common pin is generally used to identify which 7 types segment it is. Each LED also have 2 connecting pins, one called the anode and the other called the cathode. There are 2 types of LED, 7 segment called common cathode and common anode. 7 segment display. The common cathode CC. In the common cathode displays, all the cathode connection of the LED segments are joined together to the logic 0 or the ground. The individually segment are unlimited by the application of high or logic 1 signal via the current limiting resistor. Common cathode. This is the figure of the common cathode. Second, the common cathode. In the common cathode anode display, the anode connection of the LED segment are joined together to logic 1. The individually segments are unlimited by the applying a ground logic 0 or low signal via the stable current resistors to the cathode of the practical segments. Common anode 7 segment display. This is the figure. 7 segment display. In the general common cathode display are the more popular as a more logical circuit skins more current than they can source. Also note that the common cathode display is not a distinct displacement in the circuit for common anode. Why that is the same as the connecting the LED in the research. Hence the lights of the emissions will not take the place depending on the instead of display the numbers of digit 0. We will need to light up on the LCD segment to the content to the A, B, C, D, E and F. Those the versions of the digit 0 through the 9 can be displayed using 7 segment display as shown. 7 segment display are for all numbers. For 7 segment display we can proceed a truth table giving the individual segment that needs to be unlimited to the order to the procedure required decimals digits or from 0 to 9 as shown as. This is the figure of 7 segment displays for all numbers. Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law KC is the Kirchhoff first law that deals with the conservation of the charge, including leaving a junction to determine the amount of the magnitude of the electron current following around the one electrical to electron circuit. We need to use the Kirchhoff laws of the rules to allow the write down those current in the form of an equation. The network equation used to the according to the Kirchhoff law, and we are dealing with the circuit current. We will looking at the Kirchhoff current law, KCS Geston current laws are the fundamental used to the circuit analysis. His current law statement dates for a parallel path that the total current entering the circuit junction is expected equal to the total current leaving the junction. This is because it has no current entering and leaving the junction must be equal to 0. Into out this idea by the Kirchhoff commonly used as the conservation of the charges as the current is the conversed by around the junction with no loss of current. Let's look at a simple example of a Kirchhoff current law KCL will apply in a single junction. A single junction. Here is a simple single junction example. The current leaving the junction in the algebraic sum of the current two. The two currents 1 and 2. The entering of the sum junction. This is 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. The node that we could write on the correctly as with algebraic sum of the 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we equal 3 amperes and 1 is equal to 2 amperes, then the total current of leaving the junction will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 amperes. We can use the basic law of the number junction nodes and the sum of the current both entering and the leaving with the same also. If we reverse the direction of the current and the resulting equation words would have not hold for true. The simple and those day we can think of the current entering in the junction beginning positive while the ones leaving the junction beginning with the negative. Then we can see that the mathematical sum of the current either entering or leaving the junction or in the direction always be equal to 0 and form to the basis of the Kirchhoff law junction rules, the more commonly known as the Kirchhoff law just current law KCL. Resistors in parallel. Let's look how we could apply a Kirchhoff law current law in the resistor parallel. Whether the resistor in those of the branches are equal to or unequal. Consider the following current diagram in the simple parallel resistor. Example, there are two distinct junction of the current. Junction 1 the across the nodes V and junction 2 the across the nodes E. Thus we can use the Kirchhoff junction rule for the electric current at the both of the two distant junctions. For those current entering the junction, for those current following leaving the junction. To start, the all current leaves in the 24 voltage supply and arise at a point 1 and from there is an inter node B. Node B is the junction as the current can be split into two destination direction with the sum of the current following downwards and through resistors R1 with the remainder continuing on the through resistor R2. We are nodes 3. Node the current following into the of a node point are commonly called the branches of the current. In the example of there are four distinct junctions for the current of the each another separate of the merged together at the nodes A, C, E and node F. The supply current split at the node A and the following through the resistors and R and R2 recording the nodes C from the separating again through the resistor R2, R4 and R5 and finally becoming the one axis again at the nodes F. But before we can calculate the individual current following through the each resistor branch, we must first calculate the circuit total current. Ohm's law tells us that 1 is equal to VR and as we know the value of V is 132 volts, we need to calculate the circuit resistance as a follow. Circuit resistance are ACE. That holds the equivalent circuit resistor between nodes A and C is calculated as a 1 ohms law. Circuit resistance RCF holds the equivalent of the circuit resistance between nodes C and F calculated as 10 ohms. Then the total circuit current is given as a given equation circuit where Kirchhoff's current law equation circuit. Therefore, V is equal 132, VRC is equal 1 ohm, RFC is equal 10 ohm, and 1 T is equal 12 amperes. Having the stability, the equivalent of the parallel resistance supply current, we can calculate the individually branch current and confirm using Kirchhoff current junction rules as follows. My next topic is semiconductor. Semiconductor. Any of the class of the crystalline, solid, intermediate in electric conductivity between a conductor and an oscillator. Semiconductors are employed in the manufacture of the versions kind of electronic device, including the diodes, transition, and integrated circuits. Such a device have found wide application because of their components, little bit power, efficiency, and low cost. Addition components have funded us in the power device, optical sensor and light emitter, including the solid state of laser. They have the wide range of the current and voltage hiding readily manufactured correct. They are the will be in the foreseeable future. The key element of the majority of the electron system is serving the communication, signal processing, computing and control application. The both of the consideration industrial materials. Semiconductor materials, solid state materials are the commonly ground into the three classes: insulate, semiconductor, and conductors at low temperatures. Some conductors, semiconductor, are in the insulator may become a superconductor. The figure shows that the zero and the semiconductor respectively P is equal to 1 ohm, and they are associated with some opposite important materials in each of the there three classes. Insulator is a facet containerized in a glass. We will know the conductivity on the order of the 10 minus 18 up to the 10 minus 10 centimeters. The conductors such as aluminum have a high conductivity typically from 10.4 to the 10.6 centimeters per centimeters. The conductivity of semiconductor between these extremes are the generally sensitivity to temperature, illumination, emission fields, and the mints around the immunity. For example, the addition of 10 atoms in the boron, known as the dopant per million atoms per silicon can increase the electric conductivity those fields. The study of semiconductor materials beginning with the earliest of the 19th century. The elementary semiconductor though composed the single certificate of the atoms such as silicon, germanium, and its and columns 5. The silicon Se, the aluminum Te in the column of 5 in the periodic table. These are the however numbers compound semiconductors such as the composed of 2 or more elements. Gallium arrays, for example, a binary 3-4 compound which is combination of the gallium from the common column 3 and areas of the As from the column 5. Ternary compounds can be formed by the element from the three different columns. For instance, Mercy, insulin, Taylor's are the 2, 3 and 4 compounds. They also can be As, which is a temporary for 3 compounds where both the Al and Ga are from the columns 3 and the separate is related the combination of the elements from 10% to A1 as X is equal 1 to 10% Ga X is equal to G. Silicon is the most important material for the intelligent circuit application, and 3-4 binary temporary compounds are the most significant for life ammunition. Doping means the introduction of the impurity into the semiconductor crystal to define the modification of the conductivity of the two most important materials. Silicon can be doped with the 3 borons. 3 valence electrons equal to 3 valent. The portion for 5 valence electrons is equal to 5 valent. Other minerals are the elements including the 3 valents are the antimony 5 valent. The dopant is entered within the elastic structure of the semiconductor crystal. The number of the outer electrons define the types of doping. Elements with the 3 valence share as used to p-type doping for 5 valued elements for the non-doping, and the conductivity of the depleted converted silicon and the crystal can be increased by the factors of the 10. N-doping. The 5 valence of the dopant has the outer electrons more than a silicon atom. For the outer electrons to combine with over 1 silicon atoms, while the 15 electrons are free to move from surface area, changing earlier from the recessive free electrons require the less energy to the field from the valence band into the conduction bands than the electrons, which causes the interaction conductivity of the silicon. The dopant which emits the electron is known as the electron donor. Donor LT is equal to give. Dopant positively charged the laws of negativity charge carriers, and there are built into the lateral only the negative electrons can be moved. Doped semimaterial who contact the base on the free and negative electrons are the n-type and n-doped due to higher number of the free electrons. Those are the named as the majority of the charges carriers by the free mobile host is named as the minority charge. N-doping with the fair support. This is the figure of the n-doping. P-doping. In the concept of 3 electrons due to doping with the process of the 3 valence dopant effect is exactly opposite. The 3 valence dopant can be cause additional outer electrons, thus leaving the whole of the valence band and the silicon atom. Therefore, electron valence bond becomes mobile. The host moves in the opposite direction to the movement of the electron. The necessary energy to lift the electron lift into the energy level of independent. The dopant is only 1% of the energy which is needed to rise the valence electron of silicon into the conduction band. With the insulation of the electron dopant is negatively charged, such as the dopant called the acid is equal to LAT is equal to Ed. Again, to the dopant is fixed in the crystal lattice. Only the positive charge can move due to positive holes. These are semiconductors are called the co-conductivity or co-doping. No, to the n-doping semiconductor are the holes are the majority charges carriers from the electrons to the minority charges carriers. Electron band is structured in the dopant semiconductor. By the introduction of the dopant in the 5 outer electrons in the n-dopant semiconductor, there is an electron in the crystal which is not bound and therefore can be moved with a relatively little energy into the conditional band. So in the n-bond semiconductor conductor, energy level is close to conditional band X. The band gap is overcome as small n log it through the introduction of the 3-valent dopant in the semiconductor. A hole is available which may be already occupied with the low energy of electron from valence band to the silicon. For dopant semiconductor in the acceptor level, energy level is close to the valence band. Thank you so much for your attention.